What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So after the market crash, we're seeing a nice bounce. When we crashed, I bought some Arkham. That's the only thing I bought, an AI project. But I'm already up on it. So we'll see if we keep pushing to the upside or not. But we're going to do a little analysis for Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.0174. We're up almost 5% on the day. Seeing a market cap 581 million. 24-hour volume 63 million. So if we pop into the charts, could be an overshooting wave B. We just have 3 waves up right now, 5-wave move to the upside. Wave A overshooting B, pull back in a C. If we do continue to push up, we create a 5-wave move. That means that this impulse is complete. A little bit of a shallow wave 2 pullback, almost hit to 50%, and then continuation up into 3. So the signal for that would to be put in a higher high, because then, yeah, I'd have to probably zoom in on the 30-minute to see. Yeah, see, this really, it looks like a wave B to me, but anything can happen. So if we do just continue to push up, that means that we're going to continue up higher in a wave 3. But as of right now, decent chance with this 3-wave move that it's simply a wave B. We pull back to this target zone in between 0.01447 and 0.01560 for a potential long opportunity to continue back to the upside. As you can see here, if I zoom out on the daily chart, we have this falling wedge pattern. Now, what I want to show you guys on the next chart here is we have a beautiful bottoming tail, just as we did right here before we bounced to the upside. It doesn't always mean you're going to bounce to the upside, as you can see right here, but it does mean that the bears are losing strength on that daily candle. The bulls pushed it right back up. So if we can start to push up and we break the resistance here of 0.01857, can't believe Gala is all the way back down at 1 cent. Shout out to everybody that's buying right now. What a steal. And then, of course, if we can push up and break 0.02, that would be more signal that we are going to see that continuation. But until then, you want to see price hold that pullback zone and bounce. So once we pull back, we bounce, we break those highs. That's your confirmation of a potential reversal. But until then, we can roll over, we can lose the support zone and then continue to break down. And it just means it's a small relief bounce before continuation to the downside. But as of right now, small 5-wave move, potentially overshooting wave B. If we pull back from here, look for a bounce from this target zone. If we continue up and when you see a nice pump, then that wave 1 is complete. That's your wave 2 pullback, continuing up in a wave 3. All right, gang, you can have completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis as well as Forex signals. We've been crushing it the last few weeks in Forex. I'm having some extreme lag, so it's not loading. We are up 7.7% on the week right now. And last week we had a massive week where we added 37% to our account. So if you had a $100,000 trading account, that's $37,700. Absolutely incredible week of trading, and this week we're doing pretty decently as well, up 7.7% on the week so far. Very easy to trade Forex. I have all the exchange sign up, and it's much better to trade than crypto in my opinion. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX if you are looking for an exchange to trade crypto. There's no KYC, no VPN all around the world, including North America. And you get 10% back on every single trade on your fees when you sign up through my link at the top of the comments. And yeah, you can join the Discord. The link is in the comments. Free access to my VIP rooms. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.